Welcome back. This Microsoft Excel tutorial will show you how to add and subtract. So this is a very simple beginner's guide. We're going to be working with really simple functions, but if you're starting off, this is probably a good place to start as well. So adding and subtracting, how easy is it? Well, we need some numbers first of all to be able to do this. So we're going to I'll put in two random numbers, 14 and 16. We all know that adds up to 30, but how do we do it within Excel? The way we do that is we choose a cell that we want the answer to be displayed in, so traditionally you'd probably put it underneath. You want to start by creating a formula, and to basically tell Excel that you want this cell to be the outcome or the answer to the addition, we need to hit equals first. So that is telling Excel that this is the cell that we are using for the equation. We're going to put equals. We're then going to move around on the sheet and choose the two cells that we want to add up. So we can move with the arrow keys, or we can click on it. You can see it says L8, that is the cell, column L, row 8, which is the first number. So that's obviously pulling 14. So at the moment, if we just press enter, it will just display whatever this cell does. So if we change that to 18, it'll change to 18. But we'll change it back to 14 so that we're staying the same. To add the two together, we've already got equals L8. We want to hit plus and then choose the other cell and then hit enter, and that will do it. So now this is obviously completely automatic. So if we go back and choose 18 again, it'll put 34 as the answer. Subtraction is, you probably guessed it, pretty much the same. If we delete that and we hit equals again, then go to the first cell, which is 16, hit minus and then go above, and it will create that answer in the cell that we chose. So what if we are adding multiple sets of data together? We've got a load of random numbers there. That's probably 200 or 300, 400 maybe, in that range. The easy way to add all these up is a shortcut, and that's a sum function. You could go through them individually, but that's not going to work when you've got large amounts of data. Well, it will, but it will take a long time. So what we need to do is we want to put equals sum this time in the answer, or in the cell that we want this data to be displayed in. Then we need to open bracket, and you can see it says number 1 and number 2. So we're now going to select a range of data. So instead of choosing individual cells, we're just going to drag the amount that we need to add together, and you can see it does L8 to L17. So it's a range of data. We then need to close the bracket, hit enter, and there you go, it's 236, the answer. You can minus a load of numbers together. We're just going to edit that. You just want to hit minus sum, and then it'll obviously be minus 236. So that's simple addition and subtraction. Hope you get the idea. Check out other Excel tutorials to find out how to maybe make this more interactive, and to how to maybe pull data from elsewhere in the spreadsheet. But I hope you found it helpful. If you have, remember to leave a like, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.